4 exercises, standing only, natatamaan ng ating abs or ang ating abdominal muscles para sa flat na tummy at flat na puson. Pwede kayong gumamit ng dumbbell kung meron kayong dumbbell sa bahay. First exercise, ang ating side twist. Core tight, higupin ng tiyan paloob, and twist. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions. Next natin, ang ating wood chop. Core tight. Exhale when you bring the dumbbell up. 15 repetitions bawat side. Next exercise natin, ang ating oblique crunches. Gawin nyo rin to, 15 repetitions bawat side. Ang ating high knees. Gawin nyo to ng 20 repetitions. Ulitin nyo lang ating 4 na exercises, 4